ओम विश्वानि देव सवित दुरितानि परासव यद्भद्रं तन्नासव सर्वमंगल मंगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थ साधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमय बन्धनान् मृत्युर्मोक्षयमामृता कालहर दुःखहर दारिद्र्यहर कष्टहर रोगहर हर हर महादेव। मैं धन्यवाद देता हूं कि आपकी सेवा का अवसर मिला। आज नवरात्रि का 5वां दिन है और ऐसे अवसर पे आप मुझे यहाँ लोक सेवा के माध्यम आपने उपस्थित कर रहे हैं, उसमें आप मुझे याद करें, ये मैं धन्यवाद देता हूँ। और आदरणीय अडवाणी जी, आदरणीय अवस्थी जी, मुझे आप कहें या पूछें तो मैं तो ये कहूँ कि हीरो यहाँ है। वो इसलिए कि जो फिल्मों में और सिनेमा में हीरो हुआ करते हैं वो तो एक मनोरंजन और अलग अलग नई नई सोच लेकर आ जाया करते हैं, परंतु जिस वक्त आदमी तकलीफ और कष्ट में होता है तो उसे या तो माँ याद आती है नहीं तो फिर डॉक्टर याद आता है। मैं माँओं की सदैव उपासना करते आया, मुझ पे कृपा रही और मेरे में ज़रा भी ऐसी लायकी या काबिलियत नहीं थी कि मैं ऐसा स्टार हो जाता, परंतु मेरी माता जी आदरणीय निर्मला देवी जी की कृपा ऐसी रही मुझ पे। मैं सच कहूँ कि मैं ज़रा भी इस लायक नहीं था कि मैं हीरो हो जाता। मैं कई बीमारियों से ग्रसित था, बहुत कष्ट और तकलीफ में था। मैं 13 वर्ष की आयु में मेरी हड्डियों में ताकत नहीं होती थी तो डॉक्टर के पास जाना पड़ता था। मैं मिर्गी पेशेंट होता था, कहीं बेहोश हो जाता था तो सड़क पे नहीं चल सकता था, किसी ऊंचाई जगह पे खड़ा नहीं रह पा सकता था। दांत सब एक साथ हिल के बहुत एक साथ गिर गए थे सभी। मैं ऐसा सोचने लगा हुआ था कि ये क्या हो गया है। और बीमारी इस वक्त आदमी हो जाता है तो थोड़े समय तक तो लोग आपके अपने जितने होते हैं वो साथ दे दिया करते हैं, फिर वो थक जाते हैं, फिर वो आपके साथ नहीं आते। फिर ऐसे में डॉक्टर साहब और आप, तो मैं पूछा करता था डॉक्टर साहब से, डॉक्टर साहब मैं कभी सही हो पाऊंगा अभी कि नहीं? तो डॉक्टर साहब कहे गोविंद हो जाओगे, ये तकलीफ दूर हो जाएगी। क्या मालूम।
See, we are a women and children's hospital, so we do everything to do with women, everything to do with children. So it was very important for us, and this was due since long. And one of the important part of treatment in any woman or any child is basically a chemotherapy. Very important part. And this we had, but it was not to the extent that we wanted to the level we wanted to. And now that is how we approached Dr. Advani ji, Dr. Tongaonkar and other doctors to start this particular project. And Dr. Advani ji was very, very kind enough to agree and said that okay, we showed in the place. He went and had a look at the entire place and he was very happy, and he has special interest in pediatric and women, and especially he has done a lot of work in children, lot of good path breaking work in children. So he was very happy and he wants to do a lot of research activity, lot of good work, and see that we can treat children with lot of care, with lot of compassion, with lot of love, with lot of warmth and good medical treatment. That is how it started, and we approached them, and sir was very kind enough to take it further.
So particularly in children, the cancer is quite common. It's not unusual. And I remember 40 years ago, we had really no treatment for them, for children. Today it's other way around. Today the cancer in children is the most curable disease. More than 80% of these children suffering from cancer, whether it's a blood cancer or whether it is any other soft tissue tumors, any cancer in children, they are curable. And that's why we have kept the interest in this. Of course, they require a lot of facilities, a lot of care during the treatment, and that's where I think the Surya Hospital, which has got the full infrastructure to take care of any problem associated with the childhood chemotherapy, is available, and therefore I am sure here is the place where we can cure a large number of the patients, the children with the cancer. Apart from this, I think the most important thing is the ladies, and all of you know that.
So, if you see our history, last 37, 38 years, we have tried to see that we don't refuse any patient whether they can afford or they cannot afford. That is the last on our thinking. So even in newborn unit, whenever a baby comes, whether it's from Badi Hospital or KM Hospital, we'll always take them. We will see that we look after the baby properly. We raise funds through our trust. Hospital gives them discounts. We try and raise through some other organization like Tata's and various other places from platforms, various like Keto and Impact Guru. But we see that we don't refuse any patient, and no patient is refused any treatment. So in future also, whether it is oncology, whether it is our daycare chemo, everywhere we will see that it is for everybody. It is for the entire strata of society, entire section. Everybody should get the same possible treatment over here. Whether they are rich or poor, affording, non-affording, does not matter at all.
This is only for the child.
आप देख रहे हैं सक्षम न्यूज इंडिया, सबसे पहले सबसे तेज।